Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, and in this short video I will tell you that how you can easily delete all your TikTok search history in 2024. That's quite simple, interesting and easy, so make sure to watch the video till end so you don't make a single mistake. So guys, before starting the video, make sure that you like the video and hit that subscribe button. So guys, first of all, open up the TikTok app on your phone and you can follow the exact same steps if you're on an iPhone or an Android. After opening the app, you'll have to tap on your profile on the bottom right corner and then tap on those three lines on the top right corner to head over to the menu. And now you'll have to tap on settings and privacy, that is on bottom. Now you will have to tap on activity center in content and display section right here, and tap on it, and right here you'll be able to find a lot of different options and you'll have to choose search history. After choosing search history, you will be able to find all your search history right here. And all you'll have to do is to, if you want to delete it, is to tap on select on the top right corner and then select the specific search history that you want to delete. I want to delete all my search history, and then hit that delete button on the bottom right corner and then tap on delete. Now you can see the search history is deleted. So that's how you can easily delete all your search history on TikTok account. I hope you have found the video helpful. If you found the video helpful, make sure to like the video and hit that subscribe button. And if you have any questions about the video